In this module, we can learn about national festivals. National festivals are the festivals that are celebrated by the entire nation. There are three national festivals in India. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti are some of our national festivals. These days are very special days for India. On these days, we have holidays and people of entire country celebrate this festival together. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on August 15th every year. Our country became free from the British rule on this day in the year 1947. The main function of the Independence Day is held at the Red Fort in Delhi. The Prime Minister of our country hoists the national flag there. He or she addresses the nation after flag hoisting. We pay homage to all our freedom fighters. Functions are also held all over the country. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26th every year. The Indian Constitution came into force on this day in the year 1950. Every year on the Republic Day, the President of India hoists the national flag at the Rajpath in New Delhi. The main function of Republic Day is held between the India Gate and Vijay Chowk in New Delhi. A big and colorful parade is taken out in which the police, the armed forces, the school children and folk dancers take part. The President of India takes the salute at the people. The direct telecast of Independence Day and Republic Day celebrations is done. The entire nation watches the telecast with a feeling of patriotism. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi was born on this day in the year 1869. Gandhi led the people of India to get freedom. This is why he is called the Father of Nation. A special prayer meeting is held in New Delhi at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. The Prime Minister and other special guests along with the common public take part in this function.